Hi, I'm Connie Davis, and I have been with Pampered Chef since October of last year. I'm really excited to be here and do this workshop with you and show you one of the new products that we have this spring. So I am going to be showing you the Decorative Food Cutter, and I think this thing is so cool, and it's really easy to use. So you can make some really pretty zigzag shapes in your food to make some really great charcuteries or just some really great designs in your desserts like strawberries. You can do potatoes. You can make eggs, so you know those really cute chick deviled eggs that you like to make for Easter. So much easier with this. So today I'm making the White Chocolate Cheesecake Strawberry recipe. And I love this recipe because it's really delicious, but it's also super easy. So I have pre-cut some of my strawberries over here. So I'm going to put these ones on my Cool and Serve. And this just makes it really easy to pipe onto them, and this way I can set it out on the table for everyone to enjoy without worrying about them getting warm and runny. But that chilled serving tray is absolutely stunning, and the way that you fill it up with the ice is going to make it absolutely wonderful for your outdoor use. So when you're using this, make sure you put it on the counter. Okay? And on the bottom here, you have a height adjuster. So if you put something in here and it's a little wobbly, then your height adjustment isn't right. So you may need to adjust it down. You may need to adjust it back up. And if you put something in here, it's not quite sitting quite right and you want to know where it's going to cut at, just close it ever so slightly to where you can see the blades, and then you'll know where it's going to cut. So you just put it down on the counter, hold the base with one hand, and twist clockwise, and twist back until it clicks. And this little piece is your food pusher. You will lift it up, your food pusher, push up your strawberry, grab it from the top. Oops. And there you go. Super easy, super fun. So for this, I also do cut the tips off of it, and that way your strawberry sits nice. And when you go to pipe on it, it's not knocking over, and it sits really nice on your tray or in your Cool and Serve, if that's what you have. This one I did not cut that pretty, but that's okay. I'm still going to use this part. And what I really liked about this is when I did my small potatoes, I did small roasted potatoes, and I coated them in our crunchy garlic seasoning. Those small potatoes were so easy to cut through. They were like a small red potato, gold potato mix, and they were so easy to just cut right through them. And I don't know about you, but I don't like cutting through potatoes a lot of the time because it hurts my hands sometimes. So to be able to do that and come out with these really pretty little zigzags and then coat them, and they came out so nice, was just a lot of fun. So it was just, it was so much easier. So I highly recommend, if you like fun shapes and just doing little fun things, that you try out our Decorative Food Cutter. That one didn't come out good either. But that's all about the learning and getting the groove of this, so it's okay. And these, honestly, I eat them. So we're just going to set this aside. And now you would use 1 graham cracker and add that to your electric twisting chop. Okay. Now, what I really like about the electric twisting chop is if this lid and this base is not on correctly, it will not turn on. It illuminated when it was on there, but then it turned off as soon as I popped that lid off. So now it won't even work. So I'm cheating. I have graham cracker crumbs. So that's about 2 tablespoons. So we're just going to put that in a separate bowl. And you need 4 ounces of cream cheese. And a half a cup whipped topping. Okay, this we're going to set aside. I just want to get the container into the refrigerator. Okay. And now, push that back. We're going to take a 1/3 cup of white chocolate chips and we're going to microwave it until it's just melted. So I recommend doing no more than 30 seconds at a time, and sometimes it's better even to do 15, and then stir it in between. Do 15, stir it, 15, and stir it. So you don't burn it. Even in something as good as that silicone prep bowl, you will burn it. And it happens pretty quick. Now we're going to stir it. I like these mini scrapers for doing stuff like this, especially because then once you're ready to take it out of here, you can really scrape out everything. But it's really great for melting this chocolate and really getting it stirred up so it melts really easy and really evenly. So they're really great for that. Oop. Definitely have to watch it when you hit the button twice. Okay. So now that this is melted, we're going to add it to our cream cheese. Pop that lid back on. And there you go. Now that it's all whipped up, just like that. Add it to our graham crackers. fold in the cream cheese or whipped topping. We're just gonna mix that all up in there. Then we're gonna put it all in a piping bag. And you'll notice I have this piping bag sitting a little funny. So the piping bag is put together and it's sitting inside of a glass. And that is so that I can take this scraper and very easily scoop, fill my piping bag. Without making such a big mess. Now, hold on to the glass, fold up your piping bag. There you go. And you don't have any mess anywhere. So, it's one very easy way to, especially if you're not doing a whole lot of filling, do your piping bag. Just be a little careful and only fold it over a little bit, kind of at a time, and kind of run it down. It worked very well with a large gallon freezer bag, and I do this also for filling deviled eggs. So, that is just my tried and true little way to fill them fast, make it really nice and creamy without making a mess. So now, just pipe this right on there. Woo! Sorry, I get quite the audience with the dogs and this recipe calls for like 16 to 20 strawberries, and I think I may have cut more than that, to be honest. Yes, I did. But that's okay, because they will definitely eat them. So, that's what they look like when they are done being topped with the cream cheese mixture. And then, right before you serve them, you will just dust them a little bit with some graham cracker crumbs. And that is it. You are done. So, now this is the way I would do it. I would just take this, pop it on here in the refrigerator or right on the table or right outside, and done. So I hope you enjoyed this, and like I said, it is a very, very delicious recipe. This is going to end up on the table because they've been waiting for this all day. So absolutely, absolutely try this decorative food cutter. It is amazing. Like I said, I have used it already twice since I've had it, and both times I've had the greatest time. So maybe a little too much fun. Um, so I can't wait to get some other things cut up, like some cucumbers and oh my gracious. And Easter is going to be a blast, even with the expensive eggs. So you guys have a great day. Please get with your consultant and order these products. You're going to be amazed. Have a good one.